Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying a viral recipe of golden fried rice. I'm a little late at trying this, but anyways, I love this recipe because of its simplicity and because it's very quick to prepare. I've given the ingredients list in the description box below, do check it out. So let's jump right in. So the first step is to separate the egg yolks and the egg whites. I've added some pepper and salt to the egg whites and I'm going to beat it up nicely. Now I've got cooked rice in here. I've used basmati rice here. I've just cooled the rice nicely after cooking it. You could also use leftover rice. I'm adding the egg yolks to the rice and mixing it nicely. Let's keep this aside. Now I've got a wok on fire. I'm adding a little bit of oil to this and we're going to put in the egg whites. We'll scramble the egg whites nicely. And then remove it and keep it aside. Now I've added some more oil in the same wok and I'm adding the minced garlic this time. Saute it for a few seconds. And then add in the white portion of the spring onions to this. Once that's sauteed, add in the egg with which we have mixed up the yolk and kept it aside. Now we'll just cook the rice nicely until the egg is nicely done. Now it's time to add the pepper and salt and also a little bit of sugar. Mix everything well and cook it further down until the eggs are done. Now it's time to add the scrambled white of the egg into this mixture along with some spring onion greens. Mix well and drizzle a little bit of sesame oil on top. And that's your simple golden fried rice ready. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.